Hello and welcome to the Radicals online tutoring, the volume and surface area of cube, cuboid and triangular prism. Let's start the lesson. The objective of the lesson are calculate the volume and surface area of prisms, that is the cube, cuboid and triangular prism. Let's begin with the definition of prism. A prism is a 3D shape that has a constant cross section. For example, a cube, a cuboid, and a triangular prism. What is a cube? A cube is a box, or a cube has 6 faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. Each face is same as a square. So there are total 6 squares. Where do we find cubes in everyday life? We can see there are so many different cubes in everyday life. A Rubik's cube, a tissue box, an ice cube, a block of toy, a dice, and a simple box. The volume and the surface area of cubes, cuboid, and triangular prism. The volume of an object is the amount of space it occupies. The object that occupies more space is said to have greater volume, whereas the surface area of an object is the sum of areas of all the surfaces of a 3D shape. It has a square unit. Let's talk about the volume of a cube. Students, as the volume is a 3D shape of a square, so all the sides as length, width, and height are exactly equal. Like in case of one face of a square, we have already equal length and width. So the volume of a cube is length multiplied by length multiplied by length. Why? Because the width and height are exactly equal to the length. So as in this case, the volume is 7 into 7 into 7, and the 7 cube is 343 centimeter cube. Now let's talk about the volume of a cuboid. As you can see in the cuboid, the length, width, and height are not similar, or the cuboid is a 3D shape of a rectangle, so when we multiply the length into width into height, we get the volume of a cuboid, which is 378 centimeter cube. Now let's talk about the surface area of a cube. As we define the surface area of a cube is the area or the total area of all the surfaces. So if one face or one surface of a cube is a square, so the area of one square is L square. We can see there are total 6 faces, so the 6 squares has a total area as 6L square. You can see all the 6 faces of a cube are elaborated here. Now let's talk about the surface area of a cuboid. As we know that the cuboid is a 3D shape of a rectangle, so first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Total there are 6 rectangles. The following surfaces of the cuboid have the same length and width as the top and the bottom surface. So area of those both surfaces are length into width plus length into width, or we can say it's 2 times length into width. Similarly, the front and the back surface, which is height into width plus height into width, or 2 times width and height. And the last one is left and right surface, which is length into height or length into height. Similarly, we can say it's 2 times length into height. So the surface area of the cuboid, or the total area of cuboid surfaces, are 2 times length into width plus 2 times width into height plus 2 times length into height. Now let's talk about triangular prism. A triangular prism is a prism composed of 2 triangular bases and 3 rectangular sides. It's a pentahedron. You can see if we unfold a triangular prism, there are total 3 rectangles and two triangles. So if we talk about the surface area of a triangular prism, we should know that there are total three rectangles: the right rectangle, the left rectangle, the middle or the bottom rectangle, the front and the back triangles. The following surfaces of the triangular prism have the same area. Left and right rectangle surface has the same area. Front and back triangle surfaces have the same area. The only bottom rectangle which is sharing one triangle base and width, left and right rectangle length. So, if we want to calculate the surface area of a triangular prism, we should know we are going to calculate the area of left and right rectangle plus area of bottom rectangle plus area of front and back triangle. So 2 times length into width plus the length into width of bottom rectangle plus 2 times half of base into height. When we multiply all the values, we get the total surface area of a triangular prism. Thank you students for watching my video. I hope you have enjoyed the video. For more details, subscribe to my channel and contact us for extra practice material. You may contact us at the email info.theradicals@gmail.com, and there is a Facebook page, The Radicals Tutor Online. Do not forget to subscribe my channel, and also do not forget to hit on the bell icon for more updates and latest lesson tutorials. Bye bye.